Hi, so I'm going to do a review on the Covergirl Nature Luxe Liquid Silk Foundation. I am shade 310, and it's got like SPF and everything in it. It works really well, but one of the downsides to it is if you use too much, it'll make you look really like pasty. So you gotta make sure you don't use too much. And it like covers up really well. I'll show you this in a minute. So if you look at my hand, I drew on it with my eyeliner right there. And then I put the foundation on it, and you can't even tell. So obviously it works pretty well. But once again, if you put on too much, it gets really pasty and thick, and it makes you feel like you have kind of like a shell on your skin. So you can't use a lot. I just put some on, and I think I put on too much. But yeah. If you have any questions, comments, compliments, then comment, please. Thanks.